Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys this juicy, so delicious baked chicken quarters. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Alright guys, so before I begin, I want you guys to know the measurements for this recipe will be in the description box below. I'm using about 5 pounds of chicken, nicely cleaned with some vinegar and lemon. I'm going to go ahead to pat them dry with a paper towel. We'll go ahead to slash off the skin, or you can break some holes under the skin, okay? This will allow my seasoning to go every part of the chicken. Trust me on this one. Every single bite of this chicken will be flavorful. I say ebusiafo. Need den no. One kasa uba beka me. I have here some basic seasonings, which is salt, paprika, garlic, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, Italian seasoning, chili powder, black pepper, and some dry parsley leaves. Okay, we'll go ahead to nicely mix all together. Once I'm done mixing, we'll then add in my oil. Okay, about a quarter cup. And if you're still watching and you have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe today and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss out when I upload a new recipe. To my new and amazing returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate you all. God bless you for the likes, comments, share, subscribing. Thank you so much. Your girl really appreciate you all. Now I'm taking that marinade and pouring it over. And guess what you're going to do next, guys? You're going to rub the season in and give the chicken a great massage, okay? Alright, now I'm going to flip the chicken over and marinate the other side, because you have to make sure that every part of the chicken is well seasoned. Now that our chicken is well seasoned, I'm going to pop them into the oven on 375 degrees for about 40 to 60 minutes. Once they are done, you have yourself the most juiciest, flavorful baked chicken quarters ever. I hope you try this recipe. Chicken we didn't call Harvard. Look how juicy this is. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed and happy. Bye.